Hello from Cherries! In this minute we will learn an amazing technique to create a spin blur background for an image. First, we right-click on the image layer and convert it to a smart object. Then, from the top menu, we select Filter menu, and from the Blur Gallery submenu, we select the Spin Blur effect. Very well, we move the center of spin to the face of the picture and drag the circle over the whole image to apply the spin blur effect to the whole image. On the right in the Blur Tool window, we can change the blur effect impact on the image using the blur angle and changing the angle degree, and then when done we press OK at the top. We're almost there. As we can see, there is a layer effect added to the layer. To sharpen the body and face parts of the image, we select Brush tool from the left and we make sure black color is selected. Then we smoothly click and drag on the parts we want to remove the blur effect on. Hope you like this technique in just a minute.